अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, आज जो हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है एलिमेंट्री शेप्स का, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एलिमेंट्री शेप्स। राइट, मतलब ये है कि that all the shapes we see around us are formed using curves and lines। मतलब जो भी आप चीज़ देख सकते हो आपके इर्द गिर्द, जैसे पेड़ है, गाड़ी है, जैसे वाटर बोतल, कोई बॉक्स या कोई या बॉल देख सकते हो आप, जिसे आप खेलते हो, फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल। ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ लाइन्स एंड कर्व्स। राइट, हम ये भी देख सकते हैं, वी कैन सी कॉर्नर्स, एजेस, प्लान्स, ओपन कर्व्स, क्लोज्ड कर्व्स। यह सारी चीज़ें आपने पढ़ी हैं। ओपन कर्व का मतलब क्या होता है, क्लोज्ड कर्व का मतलब क्या होता है। जो ये सारी चीज़ें होती है, या तो वो या उनमें हम अगर हम गौर से देखेंगे, उनमें भी लाइन सेगमेंट्स है, एंगल्स है, ट्रायंगल्स है, पॉलीगन्स है, सर्कल्स है। हमने पढ़ा है व्हाट इज लाइन सेगमेंट, एंगल, ट्रायंगल, पॉलीगन्स क्या होते हैं, सर्कल्स क्या होते हैं। ओके, तो इन सारी चीज़ों का डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट होता है। कोई चीज़ बड़ा होता है, कोई चीज़ छोटी होती है, किसी का कर्व बड़ा होता है। जैसे आप क्रिकेट बॉल और वॉलीबॉल देख सकते हो, वो साइज़ में बड़ी है, तो उसका जो क्रिकेट बॉल का कर्व है, ओके, तो वो कर्व, उसका सर्कमफ्रेंस कम होगा, ठीक है ना। ओके, सो इसी तरह वॉलीबॉल या फुटबॉल वो बड़ी है। सो दैट मीन्स we find that they have different sizes and measures. Now in this chapter, let's now try to develop tools to compare their sizes. इस चैप्टर में हम वो सारे टूल्स, उन सारे टूल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जिनकी मदद से हम इनका साइज माप सकते हैं, इनका साइज मेजर कर सकते हैं और उनमें डिफरेंस दे सकते हैं, किस प्रकार से वो डिफरेंट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द साइज। ठीक है ना। ओके, सो ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग एलिमेंट्री शेप्स का फर्स्ट लेक्चर है, लेक्चर फर्स्ट। ओके, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं लाइन सेगमेंट्स। Line segments or line segment simply. You know that what is line segment. अगर हम line की बात करेंगे, so this is a line. Okay, so line has a characteristic feature that its both ends have arrowheads. So that means neither it has initial point nor ending point, nor initial point nor end point. So this is called as line. Now what is this line segment? Line segment means any part of this line. So for example, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, ठीक है ना। So this is line segment. So line segment has both initial point and end point. So, say for example AB. जो line होती है, so this is line. It has neither initial point nor end point. Okay, because on its both points, there you can see there are shown two arrowheads. Okay, so that means that means if you want to stretch it, okay, on both the pointers, okay, you can do that. So a line is a line has neither end point or initial point. Okay, and line segment is the part of a line. So this is a line. Okay, it has both initial point, say for example A, and end point, say for example B. Line is represented by this. For example, say this, I will name this, for example, PQ. So it is represented, okay, we write down PQ and form a small line on this. So this means line PQ and this is represented as AB. Then bar is placed on these letters. It means line AB. Line AB. There is another form. Okay, so this is called as re. It has starting point but not end point. So this is called as re. Say for example, I will name it AB. Say for example, or re AB. For example, AB. So it is represented as AB, and you have to place the symbol of arrow on AB. So this is read as line PQ. This is line segment AB, and this is called as ray AB. Fine. Our question is, how can we measure a line segment? So measuring line segment. Measuring line segment. This is our question. See for example, or we can say how to compare two given line segment. See for example, I will draw a line segment here. So this is a line segment AB, and this is another line segment. Say for example PQ. Okay, you can compare these two line segments. You can easily say that this line segment AB, okay, it is smaller in length than the line segment PQ. Okay, remember that we measure line segments in terms of its length. Okay, so I will repeat, a line segment is a fixed portion of a line. Okay, so we cannot literally measure a line, because neither it has a starting point nor ending point nor end point. Fine. So when we take a fixed portion of a line, okay, so what is called as line segment, then it makes it possible to measure, right, a line segment. Okay, so when we measure this line segment, we measure this in terms of its length. So length is a particular number, right? So we call that length, right? So first, if we compare these two lines, we can easily compare these two lines by observation, okay, by mere looking at both of these lines. Okay, can easily see that this line segment, okay, this AB line segment is smaller than line segment PQ, or the other way around, that line segment PQ is we can say longer than line segment AB. Okay, but this method is not that much helpful. Okay, because say for example, this is a line segment MN, say for example, and this is another line segment PQ, say for example. Now tell me, which one among these, between these two line segments, is larger? Okay, so now this is the method where we compare two line segments by mere observation. Okay, that will not always help us. See, these two line segments, they look somewhat similar in their size. There is a little difference between these two line segments. So there must be a method. So there must be a tool with which we can measure this line segment and this line segment as well, and then only we can compare these two line segments. See for example, these are another line segment, right? This is another line segment. Okay, see, you can see these two line segments. Okay, by mere observation, they look they look similar in size, in length. Okay, so this method in which we just observe the line segments and try to compare them, that is not at par. Okay, that is not gonna help us in comparing two or more than two line segments. Okay, now look at these two figures. Okay, you might have a geometry kit in your school bag. Okay, and if you open your geometry kit or geometry box, you will find these two tools. Okay, this is called as divider and this is called as a ruler or sometimes scale. These two tools are gonna be very helpful for us to compare two or more than two line segments. These two tools will help us to get the actual measurement, actual length of a given line segment, right? So this is called as divider and this is called as a ruler. Let's talk about the ruler, right? See, this is your ruler. I have made part of the ruler that is in your geometry kit. Okay, your scale or a ruler that is already present in your geometry kit, that is divided into 15 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have only made 6 parts out of 15 parts. Okay, remember that our ruler that is already present in our geometry kit, that is divided into 15 parts and each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Remember that. So that means from this 0 to 1 it is 1 centimeter. So this length is 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2 it is again 1 centimeter. 2 to 3 it is again 1 centimeter. 3 to 4 again 1 centimeter. So your scale in your geometry kit, that the length of that scale is 15 centimeters. Okay, so that is we can say the scale is divided in 15 parts and each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Each part is equal to 1 centimeter. So therefore our scale, okay, that is present in our geometry kits, that is equal to 15 centimeter, right? So distance between 0 and 1 is 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2 it is again 1 centimeter. 2 to 3 it is again 1 centimeter. Fine. So okay, now you can see here that the distance of 1 centimeter, say for example from 0 to 1 it is equal to 1 centimeter, right? From 0 to 2 it is equal to 2 centimeter. From 0 to 3 it is equal to 3 centimeter. From 0 to 4 it is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now you can see here each centimeter. So each centimeter means this is centimeter, this one is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. From 0 to 6 is equal to 6 centimeter. But from 5 to 6 is 1 centimeter. 4 to 6 is 2 centimeter. 1, 2 centimeter. Each centimeter is divided into 10 parts, 10 small parts, 10 subparts, we can say. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 centimeter is divided into 10 subparts and each subpart is equal to 1 mm, means 1 millimeter. We can say that 1 centimeter, since 1 centimeter is divided into 10 subparts, it is and each subpart is equal to 1 mm. We can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, 10 millimeter. I was. Say for example, here it is a line segment. Say it is a line segment. Okay, so we are trying to measure this with the help of scale. So that means, okay, put the scale on the line segment. Okay, place one end at the 0. Okay, and see what is the measurement, where does it reach on the other end. Okay, so that means if you can see it is 3, so that means this line segment is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, we can write it like this, it is equal to 3 centimeter. I was okay. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी जगह यहाँ ये लिखा होता है 3.8 सेंटीमीटर, व्हाट डज दैट मीन 3.8 सेंटीमीटर? 3.8 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 3 सेंटीमीटर and 8 mm means 1 2, 3 centimeter, and 8 mm. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means here. So that means line segment will be from this to 3.8 centimeter. Okay. Now this is all about the ruler. Okay, I will repeat that your ruler is divided into 15 parts. Each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, and each centimeter is divided into 10 subparts. One subpart is equal to 1 mm. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So that means, okay, the number like this, 3.8 centimeter means 3 centimeter, 8 mm, 8 mm. So how can you write down 2 centimeter and 1 mm? So you can simply put it like this, 2.1 centimeter, right? Now if you have to measure this line segment to PQ, what will you do? Either you will place your scale, okay, just like this. If you place your scale from 0 and see what's its measurement, so you will get, okay, from 0 to this. See, for example, here is 5, so this is 5 centimeter. This is one way to measure the line segment. Okay, another way of measure line segment is you have to open your divider. Okay, open your divider. Okay, open your divider as much as the length of the this line segment. Then, okay, using the divider and find that what is the so how far you have opened the divider, okay, with the help of the scale. Okay, so that will be equal to 5 centimeters. So that means using divider or directly directly your scale, you can measure the line segment. Okay, so that means you can measure line segment either directly with the help of a scale or indirectly with the help of a divider. You have to open the divider as much as the length of the length of the line segment. Then you have to place the divider on the scale and find out how far it reaches on the scale. Okay, and you will get the measurement of that line segment. You will get the length of that line segment. Okay, but remember that whenever you try to measure a line segment, okay, you must look at the line segment vertically. So that means you have to look directly, okay, vertically, not okay, not this way or this way. You have to look vertically on the scale in order to get the exact measurement, right? So this is the first lecture of this understanding elementary shapes. Tomorrow we will take another lecture of the same topic. Till then, peace out.